Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. We got lots of numbers coming out. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you learn to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 28, Nasdaq up 4, S&P's flat, gold contract up $1.40 at $12.43, silver $16.29, platinum up $6, $9.27 an ounce, copper $2.71 a pound, light sweet crude down 41 cents, $46.91 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 1 tick, 126.02. 30-year bond up 7 ticks, 154.05. King dollar, toasted, roasted, all of the above, folks. Down 483 ticks, 94.105. Now, a king dollar went down actually 1,000 ticks from its highs to its lows out here. Big number, folks. King dollar is building cause to get down to the 92 to 91 area. The euro is trading at 116 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is out here at 111 to the U.S. dollar. Almost 112, actually. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, what do you have? We're at a new all-time high. You're up there with no volume. Bottom line, SPY's at 247.04. You did 41 million shares. We go over with the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. Dow had a sideways move out here today. Dow also really right next to an all-time high, 21,611. The composite, we're going to be, let me just see, I don't believe Microsoft come out yet, but Microsoft comes out maybe it did. Let's see. Yeah, they just come out. Okay, so Microsoft, number goes like this on Microsoft. The estimate was $24.3 billion. They come out with $24.7 billion. That's their revenue. Number-wise, the estimate was 71 cents. They came in with 98 cents. Big number. Microsoft closed at $74.24. That right now is trading at $75.57, and that is moving around the Nasdaq Futures. So let's go take a look at this. So the NQs, they're going to be bouncing around too because it depends on Intuitive Surgical if they come out. So the NQs coming into the close it just popped them a little, nothing heavy. Well, it popped them up about another 4 points. ISRG, let's see Intuitive Surgical. Intuitive Surgical right now, that hasn't come out yet. So we'll see whether that comes out. Oh, no, that's out. Okay. So Intuitive Surgical, the estimate was $5.79 billion. They come in with $5.9 billion. That was the earnings per share. No, I'm sorry. The estimate was earnings per share, $5.79. They come in with $5.95. Revenue estimate was $722 million. They did $756. So that, they also come in with good numbers. It's pushing it down $3. No big deal. Those are the 2 equities that no doubt could and did. Microsoft, the one that pushed that NQ around a bit. So let's go over to the composite first. Nasdaq Composite. Nasdaq Composite out here also at an all-time high, 63.90. The NDX is the closest to the high still. The high is taken out. That number is 58.97. You're at 59.21. So bottom line, the 3 Qs, same correlation inside the Qs. Qs right now, 144.17. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here. Had price spread, rejected lower price, has volume. Coming into a Friday, it's going to be intriguing. We did 262,000 contracts, and we're at 1243. So we have game here to 1260. We can see 1260 tomorrow. You know, we get Friday, and what is that going to be about? Well, here, let's go right over to the dollar. So the dollar index, folks, DXU7. This thing got toasted, roasted, all of the above. This has been a one-way trade. I mean, you talk about $103 right down to 94. We hit 93.89 today. And, you know, what does happen when you get this type of move lower and with a head of steam, you can see that it was getting its head of steam like 3 days ago. Well, you can make the case that it's been a head of steam all the way down, but this thing really did accelerate pretty quickly. So your next move, I suspect down here, you get the 93, and then you swing low out here that it has held twice since the first low was established May of 2015. The number you're talking here is 91,880. And if you don't hold that 91,880, now what happens here is this: there's no support there really. Now this is the bottom of the range, but this bottom of the range, it was a spike low. Your actual support is kind of right where we are right now. It's like 93,300 to 93. Let's say 300 to 400. So 700 ticks lower is actually the support. You break that, and your probability is pretty good that, you know, because it only traded 1 day down at 91,880. Note market, what do we have with the note market? Notes continue to want to go higher. Notes out here just want higher price. We're at 126.02. Bottom line, these notes want 127.08. If we take a look at the 10-year right now is at 2.2. We go back the last 3 months, the low is 2.1, the high is 2.4. You go take the last 6 months inside the 10-year, 2.1 to 2.6. So you can see we are at the lower end of the last 6 months in the 10-year, which affect mortgage rates. So bottom line is that you get a mortgage, want to refinance it, all of the above, go do it, folks, because the bottom line, the number's there. That's what this shakes out as. And that's what the Fed going up on short-term rates. And bottom line, the Fed may want to, well, actually, the Fed Fund Futures right now, folks, is saying that they're not going to be going up. The probability of them going up is not until March of next year. Before that, it's under 50%. Pretty wild. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some more numbers for you. Dow finished down 28. Nasdaq up 4. S&P's flat. We're going to be right back.